Hello everyone, it's Miss Thomas, and today we're going to look at similar polygons. So similar polygons have congruent angles and proportional sides. So if we look at these two polygons, these two quadrilaterals, we can say that ABCD is similar to EFGH. So if we know that, then we know that their angles are all congruent, their corresponding angles are congruent. Just gonna put a slash through it. Okay. And their sides are proportional, which you can look at the 10 and the 20 to figure out. Proportional really just means everything's going to use the same scale factor. So 10 to 20, it's times 2. So all of these sides are going to be twice as big as the original polygon. And just so you're sure, the tilde without the equal sign means similar. So similar has a very specific meaning in mathematics. Similar means congruent angles, proportional sides. So the statement of proportionality makes a ratio of corresponding sides. And so using the same quadrilaterals, which you had the similarity statement, AB, the ratio of AB over EF, should be equal to the ratio of BC to FG, which should be equal to the ratio of CD to GH, which should be equal to AD to EH. So the ratio of corresponding sides should always be the same. Make sure if you have like the smaller polygon on top on the numerator, then you have the larger polygon in the denominator. So scale factor is the ratio of the sides of similar polygons, and it comes from that statement of proportionality. So the scale factor is really just the simplified ratio of the sides of the similar polygon. So if you think of our previous polygons, we knew that they had a side that was 10 and its corresponding side was 20. So 1/2 or 1 to 2 is the scale factor. Right, so to prove the polygons are similar, you will need to determine if all the sides are proportional. So you want to determine if the following polygons are similar. If so, write the similarity statement. So in general, you want to try to figure out, well, what are the sides that we think might go together? Sometimes you might guess wrong, so you might have to do it more than once. So assuming that AC goes with YZ, because they're both the smallest sides, right? 9 and 12 are the smallest sides on their individual triangles. 9 over 12 is going to equal 3 over 4. Simplifies to 3/4. So then I have to see, well, do the rest of these corresponding sides have the same scale factor? So looking at the largest sides, 15 is the largest side on the small triangle, 20 is the largest side on the other triangle. So if we do a ratio of 15 to 20, again, dividing by 5, we end up with 3 over 4. So it's good so far for 2 out of the 3. We want to see if it works for the 4th. 12 out of 16 is going to simplify to 3 out of 4. So since the scale factor is the same for all of them, they are similar. So triangle ABC is going to be similar to triangle So this is where you have to be careful. You want to make sure your corresponding sides go together. So A is going to go to Y, and B is going to go to, we want to go in the same order. B is going to go to X, and so then C is going to go to Z.